to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. And allow me to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We don't take you for granted. We thank you so much, and we appreciate you supporting this channel. To the keyboard reactors and to those that like our videos, we really appreciate you and thank you so much, and a lot of blessings. Now today I was watching the what can I call them? The Red Jets of Jamaica participating in a 4x100, is it a 4x100 race? And when I looked at them, it clicked in my mind how these athletes shows and demonstrates the character of the Jamaican people and how similar in what they do is to their ancestral land, or the people who are there before them. First of all, the Red Jets of Jamaica have put Jamaica on the map there in the world. They have demonstrated to the world that the small size of the island does not matter. The number of people in the island does not matter. What matters is the will in somebody's heart or mind, and the determination and the hard work and trusting in God. All that is what matters for somebody to go to the next level. And Jamaicans have been key players in teaching us that the sky is the limit when you are determined, when you have the will, when you are positive, and when you trust God. Jamaicans demonstrate that there is no mountain one cannot climb with all those characteristics I've talked about. You know, when I was looking at this women land, and when I look at Usain Bolt land, by the way, I mean Erin Thompson and Sherry Ann Fraser. I was looking at them participating in a race. I don't know when that race was, but as I was looking at them, there is so much I got from them. I saw the great characteristic of Jamaican people. I saw the winning spirit in Jamaican people. The focus on these women as they participated in this race, the coordination and the teamwork and the willingness to win and to make their country shine was on another level. And they really taught me that when you are united, there is nothing that can defeat you. When you are together, when you love one another, when you are loyal to your country, you can conquer any mountain and any valley to win. As I was looking at these women, I could see a lot of self-confidence, a lot of hard work put into this race so that they can be where they are. I could also see a lot of determination, a lot of resilience, a lot of, what can I say, love for their country. And I really learned that Jamaica has taught us that there is nothing you cannot achieve when you are willing and when you are determined. So guys, let us have a look at these athletes as they participate in this race, and then I'll come back. So you have seen the kind of focus these women have, the kind of willingness, the kind of hard work, the kind of speed they are moving with. And by the way, as I was looking at the speed, of the Jamaican people participating in this race, it reminded me of the speed in which Jamaica has acquired so much. The speed of these athletes teaches us the speed in which Jamaica has transformed from the time it attained independence in 1962 up to date. It has shown us the willingness and the speed in which the Maroon people fought the colonial masters so that they can attain freedom. It demonstrates the speed at which the Jamaican people moved forward to defend their fellow black people in the times of oppression. It demonstrated the speed in which the Jamaican people have done a lot of innovations and a lot of transformations in their beautiful island. For sure, when we look at Jamaica, during the Spanish colonial times and the British colonial times, we can for sure say Jamaica has been on the run to transform from where they were to who they are today. I think I'm going to put a picture of where Jamaica was in those days of colonial times in the 18th century and where Jamaica is today. There is a lot of speed in transformation, a lot of speed in infrastructure transformation, a lot of speed in building constructions and estates, a lot of speed in transforming this island to be the most admired island in the whole world. Jamaica has moved with a lot of speed, the speed demonstrated by the athletes that come from Jamaica. And it also shows us the speed in which Jamaicans have moved to show and teach the world who they are, who they stand, what they stand for, what they represent. It also shows us the speed in which Jamaica has actually transformed the world in terms of music, in terms of culture. We have talked about it in so many videos. The influence Jamaican culture has in the world, the influence Jamaican music has in the world, the influence Jamaican people have in the world. You can imagine such a small island, and the fame and popularity of Jamaica has spread like bushfire. That is the speed the people of Jamaica have demonstrated over the years. And this is the speed these women, Usain Bolt, Kissen Thompson, and all those that have participated in athletics in Jamaica have shown the world the speed in which they can transform their country from better to good. We have seen a lot of changes in Jamaica from the times of colonial to today. We have seen a lot of discoveries, a lot of implementations that have been done in Jamaica. The discovery of oil, the discovery of gold, implementation of so many projects that have transformed Jamaica to be who they are today. And therefore, as Jamaican athletes learn, it's not just a race. It demonstrates a people's resilience, a people's determination, a people's eagerness to be victorious and to lead the world where others follow. It demonstrates the inside and out of the Jamaican people and the love they have for their nation. It demonstrates the kind of people Jamaicans are. So as I was watching these women learn, and as I was watching Usain Bolt learn and Kissen Thompson, it's not just learning to win the race. It is a race to show the world what Jamaican people are made up of. It's a race to show the culture, the traditions, the way of life of the people of Jamaica. It's a race to show us the hard-working people of Jamaica as an island. It's a way to show the world that you can conquer when you have the will and the determination to win. They have shown us there is no big country and a small country. They have shown us there is no black and white when you work hard, when you are determined, when you are resilient, and when you have your heart focused on what you want to gain. They have defeated the mighty and the high. And by doing that, they have taught the African people it does not matter who you are, you can conquer when you have the will and the determination. They have taught us not to be grasshoppers of our own self, not to think we are lesser than the others. Because they have demonstrated where we thought that people cannot conquer, Jamaicans have conquered. They have conquered in the field of athletics. They have conquered in discoveries. They have conquered in football. They have conquered in leadership. They have conquered in representation of the whole world. And they have shown us that there is nothing impossible when you put your mind on whatever you want to do. And therefore, today's video, it was about the lessons that we have learned from the people, the athletes of Jamaica. The athletes of Jamaica. They are resilient and they are determination to win over everyone and to become the first in a world dominated by so many people of different kinds of mighty nations and great nations. And therefore, today, I celebrate you, the people of Jamaica, because you have taught us as Africans, we should not just think that we are nothing, and when we believe on ourselves, and we are determined and we work hard, we can go to any length that we feel like going. And therefore, this will be the end of the video. Thank you once again for watching us. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.